Here is day 4, and I'll talk about day 5 as well today. So day 4, we had some math work like we did yesterday. We have some addition problems, and then we have some subtraction problems on the bottom. Make sure you're looking at the symbol. This one says 16 minus 10. So now you have to take away. And then we have our taking away 9 again. So we have 19 circles, they crossed out 9, and now you have to find how many are left. This one you have to put in all of the pieces of the equation. Then on the bottom there's a note here. It says, finish your story. You need to include your characters, setting, problem, and the solution. I didn't finish my story, so I'm going to show you that part first since it's on my board still, and then I will go back and show you the math. Let me fix the camera here. Okay, so I'm going to start by going back and rereading my story. So I have one day, my mom and I wanted to watch a movie. We went into the living room to start the movie, but we couldn't find the remote. So I have my characters, my setting, and my problem. Now I need to do my solution. So my solution was that I'm looking back at my writing from before, and I'm remembering that I wrote that it was under the chair. So, but we couldn't find the remote. We had to look everywhere. Finally, I moved the blue chair and finally I moved the blue chair and, oh, I know, saw the remote. It was under the chair the whole time. Now I'm going to go back and reread my story again. One day, my mom and I wanted to watch a movie. We went into the living room to start the movie, but we couldn't find the remote. We had to look everywhere. Finally, I moved the blue chair and saw the remote. It was under the chair the whole time. No. I'm going to put now. We were able to watch the movie. So that's my story. Okay, so this is for day 4. I finished my story. Day 5, you're also going to have time to work on your story. So on day 5, I would go and add lots of details to my picture, making sure it's showing that it's my living room. I said it was under the blue chair, so I would have to make sure I'm moving the blue chair and having the remote on the ground underneath it. And then making sure all of my characters are also in my story. So that's the writing for day 4 and 5. We're finishing our story, we're finishing our illustration, and we're adding lots of detail. So for the math, for day 4 and 5, they're very similar. So I'm going to do some of the day 4 and then a few of the day 5s with you. So up here, we have 10 plus 4 equals blank. So I'm going to count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I counted on 4 more because my problem says plus 4. So I'm going to write 14 here. Then I'm going to go on to the next one. 10 plus 5. So I'm going to count on 5 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. And I'll do one subtraction with you. Let's see, this one says 16 minus 10. So I'm going to take away 10. So I'm going to count down 10. So 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So when you take away 10, it equals 6. Now for this part, this is the same steps as we did on day 3. We're going to count all the circles first. How many circles are there? There are 19 circles. How many did they take away? How many are crossed off? They took away 9 circles. Now I'm going to count how many circles are left. And how many circles were left? 10. 10 circles are left. You're going to do the same thing for these 2 problems. You have to fill in all of the parts. How many circles are there all together? That goes in the green box. How many circles did they take away? That goes in the blue box. How many circles are left? That goes in the yellow box. Now day 5. Day 5 math is right here. It's all subtraction. So same thing, you're going to draw your picture, and then you're going to take away 10. You're going to take away 10. But be careful towards the bottom. Now I'm taking away 4 right here. And then your second page for math is the circles again. They have the circles, and you have to count how many they took away. So I'll just review quickly. Day 4 is this math page and this math page, and then finishing your writing. Day 5 has this math page and this math page, and adding lots of detail to your picture and your writing.